2D sheet of an assembly. This tutorial will show how to create a 2D sheet for an assembly. Here we will use an assembly sample. Right-click, pick 2D sheet, select a template. ANSI standard, pick size A2, click OK. Pick front view. Turn off the hidden lines and then pick a location point. Continually create the projection view. This is the bottom projection view. This is the right projection view. Click the standard view command to create an isometric view. Turn off the hidden lines and pick shade view type, located to the right below the 2D sheet. Next, add some assembly dimensions. Click Dimension. On the front view, pick two endpoints to define the whole length. Add the whole width dimension on the bottom view. Define the whole height dimension on the right view. Create a BOM table for the assembly. Click the BOM command, pick the isometric view, name it Toggle Clamp, and add a material column to the list. Click OK and pick Point to insert the BOM table.